Hey everyone, why is everyone suddenly talking about this hot new crypto airdrop? People are saying you can get up to $1,500 in USDT just for signing up. Sounds too good to be true. Today, I'm breaking it down for you step by step. Before we go any further, this is not financial advice. Some crypto airdrops are extremely risky, many are scams. Diode, never invest what you can't afford to lose. Let's dive in now. Here's how it works. First things first, download the official app from the Play Store or App Store on iPhone. Link is in the description. Once installed, create a new wallet. Then enter the special invitation code when prompted to unlock the bonus. Now click to continue to the next part. Next, set a strong password to secure your account. Then, very important, back up your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet when lost. After completing setup, some users report automatically receiving the $1,500 USDT split between Ethereum and Tron networks. In this case, it's supposedly split between Ethereum and Tron networks. If you decide to participate, you can also invite friends using your personal referral code. But remember, only share it with people you trust and remind them about the risks. Stay cautious with any crypto offer. Have you tried this one? Share your experience in the comments. See you in another video.